Hi everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to remove add friend option on Facebook. So first thing is open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Now once you open the Facebook application, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, tap that. Here you scroll down and then tap on setting and privacy, tap on it. In the setting and privacy, you tap on setting. Now once you're at the setting and privacy piece, now you need to scroll down to the audience and visibility, and there you need to choose the option how people find and contact you. You tap that. It will direct you to this piece on your screen, how people find and contact you. This is a piece where you will be able to make changes for how people can find you on your Facebook. So from the following option, we need the top one, who can send you friend request. You tap that. Currently, this setting is saved as everyone, that is, anyone on or off Facebook will be able to add you as friend or send you friend request. You can change this setting by tapping on friend of friend. With this, the add friend will get limited and only the friend of friend will be able to have that add friend option and will be able to send friend request to you. That means not everyone or anyone on or off Facebook will be able to add you, as they will not have the option of add friend option when they view your Facebook profile. Hope this video was useful on how you can remove add friend option on Facebook. So basically you can just limit the option for the Facebook user to send you friend requests. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.